when we are looking for new products or working on innovation products or creating a different business model, see broadly there are four possibilities, right? What could be the product options? The first option is typically existing resources and existing users. You leverage existing resources, create new value for your current customers. So, ideally this should become your low cost and low risk option. Second option is your add new resources to create new value proposition or new features, new offerings and so on, but for existing user base. So, if you are addressing the existing user base, your risk is low, only cost will change. So, this is an high cost plus low risk option. Yeah. The next option is you change the user base and keep the existing resources. Basically, you leverage existing resources to create new value or new features, new quality or new service options and so on for new set of users. So, in this case the risk is higher than previous options, but the cost is low because you are leveraging existing resources, you are not incorporating additional cost here. Yeah? The cost is limited. The last option is when both are changing, you expand new resources or add new resources and create value propositions for new set of target users. So, this is an option which is high cost and high risk, right. These are, if you do a 2 by 2 matrix, we will see how this fits, right. So, while choosing between new product options, one thing you need to keep in mind also, avoid conflict with existing good products. If let us say your company has products which are selling well, you do not interfere or have a conflict with those products. And the other point to note is that option 4, the new resources and new users, that should be your last options after you have exhausted with experimenting other 3 options and so on. You play on companies basically depending on your resources and user base what you want to target, you can fit in one of those models.